I think they should make a green Hazy suit, man, and blend in with all this green shit.
I think they need to give me an Arctic Hazy color recoloration and make it all white.
True.
That'd be too.
You know, fucking sick a white Hazy would look.
Where's the dark blue? You know, in the middle of the snow.
That's true.
If it was all white, then it'd be kind of OP, like white.
It would be very strong.
I mean, kind of like the Nomad is at night, though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but most things are pretty dark at night either way. Even though, like Nomad's good because it's the dark colors, but
say that to your glowing items.
Yeah.
You know.
Well, this Hazy doesn't glow, thankfully, but yeah, I actually haven't ran that AK at night yet.
Oh, the frost one or what?
The frost one. I don't even know if it how it shows. I'll test it out one day.
I don't think it does. Alright, you guys.
I hope not.
Hopefully, should I pop the tea now?
Yes, twisted tea time.
I'm getting cracked. And a custom on me. One for close, one for far. And that doesn't sound too far at all.
That's from the big base over there. 35.
There's some cloth up here.
Someone's on the roof up there. 30. On that the farthest left windmill, that cone.
Yeah, we'll just keep going to the left side here.
Left
I think.
side,
Going to the left. This is the way I usually run.
Some shrooms.
Oh no, we go this way. Yeah, usually this spot's kind of, I don't know, so we might have to go up to U8. We should definitely try to get those max health keys.
Stone nodes right here too. Melon down here. Yeah. Metal one 240. I don't have a Jackie, so that's on you guys.
Yeah.
Oh, actually, is that yeah, actually double metal right here too, right around the ridge. Grab that one and then just come out right back up top here. Still one.
I mean, we can still go up to like P7. It's not that far away.
No, I'm down to go right.
Alright.
I'm going to the trap. I mean tarp.
Raise the trapper.
The tarper.
We got 15 H2 in right now.
I'm just hiding in this tree line here till you guys catch up.
Yeah, we're almost into.
Yep.
He's trapping the trees.
The tree tapper.
Yeah, just let me put trap wire around trees.
Good boy.
Yeah.
Is this being built right here off to the right? That looks kind of different. Oh, it's
Built or rated? Hard to tell.
I couldn't tell at first when I seen the compound. Yeah, when we were out farming, we like left the car for a minute and we're like, oh, should we still get the car? As we like found this valley.
Like collect enough for a bag or some extra bandos. Both of them are decent.
I see nodes over to the left, kind of towards military or flashlight.
Gotcha.
Wait, that's all the way over there. Not juice.
Those scarecrows scared me.
Like scarecrows either.
They scared me. They did what their job
Over
was
there,
supposed to.
that's pretty good.
There's a
Carrying the
water
cruise.
catcher here too. If you guys need some.
I do have a water jug on me.
Just if you need some water for a little sip, you know.
No, I'll take it. I'll just hold this for a second and
Do you need bandals? Is that what you said?
good. I have 14 claws, so I could use it more though. Thanks.
Alright, this is our hillside up here. I see two I see a polar bear.
Let's go ahead, there's nodes up that way on the hill, yeah?
Yeah, looks like it.
As we start off the left side, no one hurts to start first. And just polar bear, essentially.
Yeah.
Does he have Coca-Cola? He should
Maybe.
have like a Coca-Cola.
Oh, he's coming for
Oh,
you.
he wants to.
Yeah, he won't.
Take him out. He's
Yeah.
gone. Don't have an axe on me. Rest in peace, polar bear.
I should have brought that blue hazard. That makes you alone.
I have that. Tee. Well, if we find a repair bench, or we'll run to auctions and I'll repair them into Arctic Hazzies.
You should just carry one for the situation. And I have any of
You know, I was carrying around a Hazzy at certain points just for a situation.
No, it's
God,
not
I
a
barely
repair
even see
bench.
my gun in this. So crazy, so white.
It's like the
Yeah, I think so.
Whiter than the Oscars.
Bunch of old people fucking telling them who's their favorites.
You got 23 minutes on this beast.
There's here too, yeah.
Here, who wants to pick up some shit real quick?
Sure.
Everything except for the HQM.
Nice. Got a little collection of things of junk, but pretty close to full. I can drop 5 scrap, I can drop these pants, I can drop a rock.
And the next time I'll
For
throw
note
it
here.
on you. And then the third time.
Nice. A little note here.
That's all for one down the way there.
Yeah, look at that base over here.
Oh yeah.
6.
Oh my god, yeah. Wait, 6.
That's the one.
Is that where we are?
Yep.
Yes, I've heard about M6. They're fucking massive. I think they're the ones who raided Emma.
Yeah,
Just go up on
definitely.
the hill to the where you guys are going.
Oh, whoa, Raider, wrong side,
no,
dude.
I just want to hit the
Because the last time I was here, they were bolting people. Anyone that was like on this hillside here, they were bolting them.
Interesting.
And like, I'm not talking like one bolty guy. I'm talking like
There's
8
like
bolty
couples.
shots.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Should I hit this hillside or no?
No, you should swing back around this side, come back the other way.
No, like where you should I hit these nodes right here or no?
Yeah, whatever. If you're already at them, you might as well. You're already committed.
Yeah, he's already given us most of the goods right now anyway, so.
Yeah, still, we don't want him to die with the orgy.
Yeah, no, definitely not.
Nope. I'm not beautiful.
You guys.
27 HP. But we can do more. Like we got 50 that one time. I want to get 100.
Oh yeah, there's a couple good chunk of notes over here too on me.
I'm coming.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll follow.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, yeah.
30 HP, no dead. So we just need to go get 70 more. I wonder if your guy, because he has the blue Arctic suit, if he has blue balls.
Maybe.
I'm a woman, so probably not.
Well, my guy has, balls of steel, because the nomad suit. Ooh. drop there and go crunch.
Crunch near.
Right, yeah, the air crunch. Good find, good find.
Mhm.
Ooh,
I see like a double sulfur down there.
I know, yeah, I'm gonna start over here. Close to their base and then like...
Oh, hello.
I'm just gonna hold it down right here.
This is the elusive farm base, eh? This is.
On the element.
I'll do your hard right.
Okay, I'm just gonna...
Straight if I heard heli.
There's another one here on both of us. We should probably head over, like, to the HQM quarry area where we were yesterday, Raider. Probably some good notes there again. Do we want to depot here while we're here?
That's not a bad
Safe in the
back to
base.
it.
That is not a
Right.
bad idea. Let's keep what we got and we'll just keep climbing ahead.
It's easier to run from 2 safe locations than 2 random locations,
Yeah,
right?
open it for me, open it for me.
You're in. Yep, you're in.
Close, close. Cool.
There we go.
And
I think I'm good too. Oh, one more actually.
they're selling those tier 2s, they're cheap. $750 for a tier 3.
Yeah, I guess they just see it as a mini, you know. I got it. Yeah, let's keep hustling though, because we're on top of it.
I hope you got it, because I sure don't.
We got 18 minutes left. We got this.
Nice.
Beauty.
More than
I
half.
wish I had a tier 1 there so we could repair the Jackie, but
Jackie.
I
Oh, we
know.
got one more than halfway. More than half off.
Yeah.
I was tapping it. The only time I was full doing it is when I was close to the base at the end there.
There. Sulfur.
Yeah, I'd say this looks pretty furnace-y.
Sulfur load right here.
So you can see a couple nodes.
Oh, up
Yeah.
on that hill? Are we going that hill?
Yeah.
Yeah, the hillside there.
Let's go. Let's get it.
What's the Nomad radiation resist right now?
50%.
50.
50. I'm at 33.
Oh, my cold is 80.
My cold is 33.
33. Because you're a third of it.
100% blast resist. Oh, Bag's here. Oh, Hazy and some TCs. Baron the Rat King.
Give me that Arctic.
Hey, Arctic Hazy, who wants it? Who wants it? Yeah,
Me.
Raider here. Raider.
Are you sure?
Yeah, there's an extra one here.
Grab it, grab it.
There you go.
Okay, go.
We all
Damn,
have
look
one.
at us. Boom. Frost it up. Got it. Thanks, Vernon. TCs are weird, but whatever. We'll take it.
He's probably crafting them, honestly. He's probably has a full envy of wood.
Yep.
He probably had extra hazmats on.
So that's kind of oddly ironic.
Yeah, seriously. I'm over here
about
too, Raider.
Yeah, sulfur one to the left here too.
Checked up the hill here.
Over on me.
Yeah, I think the Jackie's just at half now.
Not bad.
A metal ton down there, 350.
Yeah, there's 2 metal and a sulfur up here, but
Down that way, there's
Down
one.
here, yep, down here.
Review.
almost down, oddly enough.
We should get it all, because honestly, we're going to do another wood trip.
Nah, I think we need the stone. So the Borm was saying.
Oh yeah, he wanted to play boxers. So.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah,
you never
same
know, we might get
shit.
extra, so. You seen anything up there, Nate?
You have to come up to us silver and metal. Note over here on me.
Damn, we made it far, I guess.
Sure. Long run.
On the
Nice.
top side, the cliff side.
Yeah, over here I got sulfur and metal.
You're still a little further down, I think. No, yeah, he's
I'm just trying to, oh, I see one. See sulfur.
yeah, just come right up that hill there. A stone here too, and a metal.
Oh, no, there's stone, and then I'll come back to you.
'Kay.
There's two.
I see which one you're talking about.
There's three, actually, man. Here, I'm gonna hit this one first. Yeah, I felt good the other day when I was doing this by myself.
Oh yeah, it's nice.
But this
Jackie's
is
fucking sweet, man. I love the chain. Like, Jackie's, I think, is over chainsaw, but
Oh yeah.
because chainsaw's loud, of course.
I mean, if you get enough.
Yeah, it's not for wood, exactly. Especially that we have a route that we can fly to Outpost, or we can fucking bendy it back, either or.
You can drive there too.
Yeah.
That wasn't bad. That was a nice.
Sulfur and metal on me here.
Alright, I got two more.
Catch up, we'll swing back.
Alright, after this, I'm gonna come to you guys.
Come back that way, this way.
So, I got up to 11k stone now.
Good. We need all of it.
Jack is still looking good. Yeah, I haven't been passing anything.
There was a sulfur and a metal up here on the hill too.
You guys like that, Mountain Dew Spark? The raspberry lemonade shit?
We don't really like. Well, me personally, we don't get a lot of fucking Mountain Dew flavors up here in Canada. But I still fucking my favorite is just the Voltage, man. That fucking shit drives me wild.
Do you guys ever get the Baja Blast?
I had Baja Blast the other day.
That's my favorite, probably, but.
Your 3 notes in a row there.
How would you say they compare?
It's like raspberry lemonade, dude.
Nice.
You got the bear here. Polar bear.
Seen. Get his mouth open, trying to catch some fucking bugs. Oh. What's that?
Wait up, here, just jackhammer him.
Oh, dude, I'm almost dead. I got freaking 15 health. Someone steal me. I'll jack you.
I think I got Jackie there once. That's funny.
Sorry.
That's fine. It was my fault. I was just getting too close.
Hey, who wants to take
We only have it for like
shit
10.
me?
Yeah, I can take some.
Hey, don't drive back to the range and try.
Oh. No.
Alright, cool.
Nice.
Where are we going? I'll follow you guys.
Just checking the ridge line here.
Person down there or bear? Bear. Well, polar bear 210.
Yeah.
I see nodes over here to the right.
Right behind you.
One node, actually. Got 18 HQ on me, and I think we had like 30, so that's close to 50.
Terrible.
No. We still got 10
We also have to
minutes.
go back to N4. Maybe we'll check the ridge line here.
Still got 10 minutes on the boost. Oh, yeah.
I see a stone and a metal behind us. Oh,
Yeah,
two
I'm gonna
stones here.
I'm gonna go get the metal first.
Definitely.
I try to backtrack as least as possible. It's so hard since, you know.
Definitely.
That polar bear, I
So-
should have tapped it when I was killing it. Oh, we're getting shot at. I'm down. Up on the hill.
Putting high wall down. No, yeah, I'm gonna get to Rager's base first. And get to his body. Keep crawling to that wall there. I'm pushing for you, buddy.
My gun's down, but
Yeah, that's fine. Almost got you. Oh. Helping you.
nice. Should I just run or should we get my gun?
I have a custom for you here.
Alright, yeah, drop it. Cool.
Careful, he's gonna push in on you guys.
I have like no health.
Just Tim, if you got it.
I have no meds. I still
Try and run back towards this way.
I'm going up this hill.
Oh, shooting at somebody.
Shit. They didn't hit me. Alright.
Wait, come back down the ridge line.
Down the ridge line? I'm out
Yeah.
of this line of sight though right now.
He's coming out. He's popping out again.
I'm gonna be up by this fucking fence.
The high wall
walls?
down. Put a high wall down.
Good shit, get me out of there, you guys.
He's pushing over towards the hill. Damn, why can't I hit a single shot on this monkey?
You looking at me, Raider, I think, yeah.
Alright, keep pushing away if you can.
I only have
Just
8
before-
minutes left in my phone over again.
Yeah, run back to N4. We want to get back to that base.
Yeah, you guys push back.
I'm far. I got a good distance, Nate. It's just you.
Alright, I'm gonna hit nose on the way back.
There's the
too.
wall.
I mean, I only got 5
Yeah,
health.
there's-
I gotta wait for you to yeah, let's get the fuck out of there.
Yeah. Nate, I hope we got.
Fuck me, man. My arm was just shaking the entire fucking time. Jesus Christ. Holy fuck, man. I couldn't fucking keep a still arm on that guy. I don't understand why my fucking heart's racing so much either. Fucking hit him twice, but fucking you got me. It's fine though.
I can give you a bag. At the what's it called? I can give you my bag.
For fuck's sakes, man. I couldn't put the fucking high wall down. I couldn't fucking reload in time. I couldn't fucking pull, like, it was just all fucking garbage, man.
Yeah.
I'm fucking shooting at him and he's just fucking running, and of course I can't fucking hit a bullet on him. Ah, I had that too and I fucking failed. Ah!
Thank you for getting me, dude. I didn't think I was getting out of there. Once I started getting mowed down, I was like, fuck. But I think after this, we should try to get some health cheese. Just for, I'm gonna let my dog out, too. Let me hop in here.
Alright, you should be good to spawn in here.
Damn, that's just fucking crazy, dude.
Peeking it.
Oh, sorry.
Nope, nothing yet. I don't see any bag.
You don't see it? No.
That was some crazy ass shit.
You might have to like spawn in another bag for it to, you know what I mean? Like you might not be able to see it in the same death screen. I don't know.
Like respawn and then suicide and then.
Take your death, yeah, I'm not sure.
Respawning. God. Ah, fuck. That's shitty. So shitty, man. I had that. You fucking pushed up on me, too. Shame, I got the bag.
Ooh, we did pretty good. 63 HQM.
Guns, so I don't know how useful I'll be here. Like I might as well. I don't even think I should be here. I think I should try and fly you back. Fly somebody back.
Yeah, that's fair. That might be the play.
Yeah.
That's actually a good
Just
idea. And
grab all the essentials.
fly us back in the helicopter with all the juice.
Yeah, I'll try and. I'm trying to think of a route right now.
I'll put this everything in TC.
Do you want to let me authorize on here?
Yeah.
I'm not privy to that. Oh, juice.
I'll fucking just fly and try and dodge SAM sites.
I think it was pretty good use of that T. I mean, depoting, and when we did was an excellent call, because then we got like all that in there.
Yeah, it sucks I lost my fucking body. I had some fucking ore on me, but.
You know, I think the biggest thing we're going for is that we got more metal than we got anything.
Yeah, metal's always nice.
12.
Let me grab a gun and some more low grade, and I'll fly over.
17k
Nice.
metal. That's pretty nice. And then,
Oh, definitely.
well,
The high quality is the good stuff.
14k stone. Let's see, sulfur we got. 5k sulfur. Good little baby farm. So what's your guys' favorite guns right now to roam with?
M249.
Well, I'm just
Really?
not to roam with. Like that's like more of like a to go raid someone with or defend the room. If you're roaming with those.
I roam a lot with like SAR. I like MP5, but I think it's a little bit too expensive.
Yeah, I like the MP5 for like crazy shit. Like last night when I had it, I was like, oh my god, melting people. The LR, it's also expensive, but it's really
The LR
nice.
is really nice too.
The
Yeah.
8X,
Yeah.
I like the Thompson, you know.
Bolt is nice.
Yeah, I kind of like Thompson, but I just think the MP5 is just better all around. More ammo, more faster bullets.
Well, I'm just
Thompson
saying,
kind of bounces around a little too much for me.
I'm just saying for like a cheaper than a
Yeah. Oh, definitely. I'll run with whatever I can. Really, I'm getting used to most of the guns.
Yeah. I try and stay away from like Python and Revolver, you know.
Oh, that Python's nice, man. For like a distance kind of thing.
Yeah, Python's nice when you're fighting against stars.
Yes.
They do like just the same shot. Alright, just need to find some
But a
cloth.
Python or a SAR isn't too good sometimes against that. Good fully auto.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, I'm gonna be on my way. Alright, let me ping it so I know. Here. Should I bring a little more? Yeah, I'm gonna need to bring a little more because I know I have to fly back too, so.
Yeah, we're definitely planning on flying. Get the stone and the HQM. Do you want to take the metal and the sulfur? I'll take the. You got the rest, farmer?
Well, it's not gonna be me flying home.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, we'll do, like, I'll do one trip, I'll grab Raider, and then I'll do a second trip and grab Farmer or something like that.
You should
Just
come
one.
in.
Come in and
You
load
should
it.
just come in,
Load
Yeah,
it
just
in,
grab it,
please, what else
because
do
then
I
I'll
got?
just take a death. Leave the SAR here.
Let's go.
Yeah. I'll load it.
I have a gun there.
Yeah, check out mines.
Go. Okay. Let's grab this. And let's go.
This base is nice and quaint.
Yeah.
I do like this custom skin for the custom. I like it when it like makes them smaller or different size.
Mhm.
Running out of the base now.
Tier 2 for 250.
Okay, I'm getting on the heli now. You
Sure.
ready? Alright, wish me luck.
Do we have the metal? Do we have the metal to do code locks on these, or do you kind of want to make it look like a solo? Huh?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, I think so.
Fine.
Campsite by our own fucking, what's it called?
Sam site?
Yep, our own SAM sites. I'm gonna lose my mind. I'm gonna fucking lose it, man. I'm so tired of losing helis to stupid fucking garbage like that.
Yeah.
Our own fucking SAM site, man.
Those are like, you should definitely go there like often and new shit.
There's no reason why they should shoot your fucking own people down. Like, if we have auth on it, don't fucking shoot us. Like, that's how it should be, but of course not. Of course it's like, yeah, fuck it, blow it up.
Right? That's fucking.
God fucking damn it, man. I fucking...
Is it getting darker? Yeah.
Don't forget to lock your TC.
Yeah. 4:20 right now in game, so we might be able to hustle out at night,
Yeah, I'm down.
you know?
I do feel here, helicopter on the top.
True. We should have the SAM sites on the smart switch too, so that way when you're flying out, you can just turn it off on your phone. You know.
Phone, exactly.
And try and fly out through the near the farm base and see if I can just sneak out through that cliff there.
That's smart.
Did you turn
So I
off the SAM sites or no?
No, I haven't turned them off, but I think from what it looks like is I just sneak out that way and go along the water. I can just I can sneak out. So I'm not. They're pretty high up. I was just looking at them.
I don't know.
They're on top of like the windmills or near the windmills.
Battery low.
I'll take another look, but I'm gonna try and drive it out.
I
Not even
agree.
trying to.
Smart switch.
Yeah, they're. Yeah. I think as long as there's not one over here on the farm, then we should be good.
Charging battery.
Yeah, there's not.
How many SAM sites do we have?
Like 3, 4.
3 or 4. Yeah.
Damn. Will they work?
Yeah, great.
Yeah. 2 seconds, I'll be back.
Shots outside.
Just grab a Malfrag and then I'll see if I can fly over. I just want to repair the heli, make sure that I don't get fucking shot down in the middle of the air.
Mhm.